Okay guys, today we're looking at the beautiful Anantara Lawana Koh Samui Resort. Nestled on the stunning island of Koh Samui in Thailand, this beautiful resort offers a truly luxurious retreat for discerning travelers. This 5-star resort is renowned for its impeccable service, breathtaking views, and world-class amenities. With its prime location just 2 kilometers from the city center and a mere 10-minute drive from the airport, guests can easily explore the vibrant attractions of Koh Samui while enjoying the tranquility of this secluded oasis. A testament to timeless elegance, the hotel underwent a renovation in 2017, ensuring that guests are treated to modern comforts and stylish interiors. Built in 2008, this resort established itself as a premier destination for those seeking a luxurious and unforgettable vacation experience. With 122 rooms, the resort offers a range of accommodation options to suit every guest's preference. Each room is tastefully decorated, featuring spacious deluxe rooms to luxury pool villas. Guests can indulge in the ultimate comfort and privacy. The resort offers a range of convenient transport facilities to ensure a hassle-free stay for its guests. Starting with the airport transfer, the resort provides a seamless and comfortable journey from the airport to the hotel. For those looking to explore the beautiful island of Koh Samui, the resort offers a variety of tours to popular attractions and landmarks. Like I said before, this is a 5-star hotel. On Agoda, it has a rating of 8.7 out of 10, which is pretty good for this area, but there's only 1,277 reviews. The price range is quite substantial. The starting price is about 8,800 baht, which is $260 US, and the top room with the private pool is about 30,000 baht. So $885 US, and that's before taxes. So it's got quite a price range, but it is a beautiful, beautiful place. And for the bottom end rooms, the 8,800 for a 5-star hotel, this is about an average price around Koh Samui. Koh Samui is not cheap. I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go check it out. The prices change a lot during the year, so it's worth having a look if you're planning your trip to Koh Samui. This is a beautiful resort in a pretty good area on a beautiful beach, not far from the main attractions, so pretty convenient and one worth considering if you're planning your trip. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching.